We're back, and we're now joined by the Executive Director for Keep Victoria Beautiful, Miss Meredith Bird.
Hi, Carolina.
Hi, Meredith.
Thank you so much for having me.
It is great to see you again. I know you were on the show a couple weeks ago, but it's never too late to start keeping Victoria even more beautiful than it already is.
And we would love to help you do that, yes.
So let's take a look at what y'all have to offer in the new year, and also something you can maybe do on your own before the next cleanup.
Yes, so we do KVB sponsored cleanups, the two big citywide cleanups that we do each year, and the two neighborhood cleanups. But if that's not enough for you and you want to get out on your own and do something, say you want to just get your family out for the day, you have a youth group, you have a volunteer opportunity with your coworkers, and you want to just go clean up a neighborhood park or a stretch of roadway. We call those clean sweeps. And this is a great way for high schoolers to earn service hours, college students to earn service hours. And it's just something that you go out for an hour or so on your own and designate a place that you want to clean up, and we will provide you with everything you need. So Keep Victoria Beautiful, if you call our office and say you'd like to do a clean sweep, we'll put together a cleanup kit for you that includes your safety vests.
Oh, wow.
Because safety is important. We'll give you your trash grabbers.
Very nice. Oh, and it's has a
branded
sticker on it.
Yes,
nice.
Absolutely. And the work gloves, trash bags, everything that you need for a successful cleanup, something that you can knock out in an hour or two. If you'll take pictures, we'll blast it on our social media and get you your recognition. These clean sweeps are a great way, like I said, for smaller groups to really make a difference, and they don't have to wait for a sponsored cleanup that
That's
Keep
right.
Victoria Beautiful has put together. You can do it on your own.
Yeah, just schedule it on your own time, and I'm just thinking, especially for high school students,
Yes.
it's a great opportunity to get those community service hours so you can make that college application stand out.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah, because it's competitive.
It is. And like I said, you know, we've had groups from like Dow and other big workplaces around the community that want to just do this on their own every once in a while.
Yeah.
Scout troops, sports groups, things like that. And yeah, it's a great opportunity to just go out and make a big difference in a small amount of time.
Well, and it's also team building. You get to have an
Yes.
experience out of the office together.
Yes.
Could be good for morale.
Absolutely. And like the immediate gratification of seeing your work, you know, this roadway, these ditches were littered with trash, and now, you know, you've got 5 bags that you've picked up and you've done a good deed. Now you've earned your Starbucks for the day or whatever.
That's right, your Starbucks or even takeout. That's what I like to reward myself with.
Yes.
I'm totally guilty.
Food. Yes.
But if you can clean up the community a little bit, spend an hour or 2 hours of your time outside, I bet you look at that roadway that you've recently cleaned up differently now. You're like,
absolutely.
did they keep it clean?
Yes, and you take it personally when you see that it's starting to get dirty again.
No, it's a great way to build that self-accountability. And if you're looking to be more environmentally friendly in the new year, this is a way to do it.
It is, and it's a great thing for young people to get involved in, to sort of nurture that, you know, building community, taking care of your community, having pride in your community. So we are all about that.
And really getting to know your community, getting there on the ground, picking up everything. And I love the big cleanups that y'all plan. You can get a t-shirt like this.
Absolutely. We've got t-shirts on order right now. So we've got our next neighborhood cleanup coming up in March. We'll have them there. And yeah, we love to treat our volunteers right, treat them to breakfast, treat them to freebies like t-shirts. And yeah, we so appreciate our volunteers. We're just so appreciative of them.
Well, we hope to help you build up that list of volunteers for the new year as we continue to keep Victoria beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Meredith.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, well, that does it for this week's show. Be sure to decide on your resolution. You're running out of time. We'll catch y'all next week.